Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome to States of Matter Part 8. Today we're going to be talking about phase diagrams. So a phase diagram is a method of representing the phase of a substance as a function of temperature and pressure. So down here you have the phase diagram of water, and it tells you that at a certain temperature and at a certain pressure it'll be a certain state. So for example, if I was at this temperature and this pressure, I would be in the liquid state. Now, there are some, important areas of this phase diagram that I want to go over. First of all is the triple point. The triple point is the temperature and pressure at which solid, liquid, and gas phases can exist. And this is a picture of water at its triple point. You can see water, you can see some ice, and if you look really closely, it's really hard to kind of see it, but there's actually some vapor on top that represents the gas phase. So the triple point is right here. And the other point that I want to go over is called the critical point. The critical point is the temperature and pressure above which the liquid and gas states are indistinguishable. And we call that a supercritical fluid if we are past the critical point. So the critical point on our graph is here, and past that point would be the range for supercritical fluid. Now, the phase diagram of water is actually pretty special. If you look at the phase diagram for water, the green line, the line between the solid phase and the liquid phase, has a negative slope. For most substances, your slope is going to be kind of positive. Now, the fact that water's slope there is negative means that its solid form is actually less dense than its liquid form. So solid water is less dense than liquid water. And you can see that if you look at, ice. Ice floats. So that means that solid water is less dense than solid or liquid water. But that isn't the case for most substances. For most substances, the solid form is more dense than the liquid form. And so that's why the slope there would be positive. The last thing about the phase diagram is just a bit of vocabulary. If you go from solid to liquid, that's called melting. Solid to gas is called sublimation. Liquid to solid is freezing, or I guess if you want to be weird, you could call it solidification. Liquid to gas is boiling. Gas to solid is called deposition, and gas to liquid is called condensation. And that was phase diagrams. I hope you were able to learn something, and I hope to see you later. Thank you.